Before we get it started, massive shoutout nga pala kay Vince of Vincilogs Habitat kasi puro goods yung card na nakukuha natin sa kanya. So once again, massive shoutout to Vince. He's a young grinder kumbaga kasi nga buy and sell siya. And I like this kind of kids kasi nga may initiative na magbenta o maging salesman. Ayan, kumalat tuloy. Simulan natin sa mga Lamborghini muna. This is the 71 Lamborghini Miura. And meron na tayong black nito, carded, pula. So, we're gonna have to unbox this one. And meron din tayong Lamborghini Aventador. Ayan. Ganda rin ang pagkakayari. Tignan natin tong card na to kasi this might not be new. 2018. So, unbox din to. Medyo goods pa yung card eh. Ito, I will not unbox this one. This is the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Ito yung mga dream car ng mga vlogger. I love the attention to details. White paint job with a red accent, tapos red interior. And this is the Lamborghini Countach police car. Ang ganda ng topic niya, to be honest. Hindi ko sana i-unbox tong tipong ganito, pero ayan, may kaskas na siya dito, dito, dito. And 2020, it's like you're being tempted to unbox this particular card. So dito siya sa kaliwa. And meron tayong Lamborghini Sian. Hindi na ito mapapasok sa carded kasi ayan o. And ayan, soft. Tapos ito din. Tapos ito pa. So, sa tingin ko, pang unbox na talaga to. This is the Lamborghini Aventador LP. Para sa akin itong card na to, I'm gonna give it a pass. Hindi natin i-unbox to. Bakit? They started this kind of card 2011. This is the 2013 version. So it's one of the oldest. And ito pa siguro yung panahon na hindi pa uso yung carded. Kaya siguro ganito talaga, na damage talaga siya. I'm gonna keep it carded. And siguro mahirap talaga maghanap ng ganong pristine condition. So I'm gonna keep it here on the right, carded. And last but not the least, Lamborghini Centenario. Meron na tayo nito. I might give this one away. By the way, kay Vince din to. Hindi na maayos yung card. This is the Ducati Desert X. One of my dream bike. Now, let's proceed with this one. This is the Mazda MX-5 Miata. Meron tayong black nito. I just love this color green. And I think it can still be salvaged as carded. Pero gusto din nating i-unbox. I'm gonna put it here. Ito din. Napamura tayo ng pagbili kay Vince nito. I think it's less than 150 pesos. Di ko na maalala. It's a Chevrolet. Carded or not, I'm not very sure. But this will help me determine it. So mahaba talaga siya. Hindi siya kakasya doon. So I think I'm gonna keep it carded. By the way, I just went to our convo. Binigay niya sa akin to 150. So, happy kid pa rin tayo kahit papano. And these are considered mint card. So, it's really time to unbox stuff. Ready? Here we go. Oh, sarap ng pinaghirapan. Let me show you the details first. Ayan o. Lamborghini Sian. Attention to details. Maganda po. I love it. I love the looks. The wheels, not bad. Pero kapag Lamborghini kasi ibang klase talaga yung design. I'm gonna put it here. And this police car right here. Yung pang Dubai talaga na police car. I think so. Kasi doon lang naman tayo makakakita talaga ng car na ganito. Yung tipo naka-Lambo. Sarap. Grabe. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. So, Lamborghini. Ayan. Countach. At least may Countach tayo. Meron nga lang siyang police car light on this part. Pero okay lang. Not bad. Ewan ko kung sino yung papasok mo dito as for emergency. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. I just opened a treasure hunt. Wala tayong kaalam-alam treasure hunt pala. Kaya pala binibenta ng mahal ni Vince nung simula. Hindi natin alam. Pero it's okay. I'm gonna keep this card. I'm happy with my purchase. Thank you, Vince. Massive shoutout sa'yo. And yung puti na to, ayan, ay, ganda talaga eh. Babalik to rin. Balik to rin kaya natin kapag mga treasure hunt. Para alam talaga natin na treasure hunt sila. Konti lang ang pula natin. So I'm gonna unbox this stuff. A red Lamborghini Miura. Sarap. Damn. Ang sarap-sarap. By the way, ito yung pinakaunang car ata ni Lamborghini. Gold wheels, I love it. And golden paint line on this part and on the front lip as well. Sa kanyang bumper wala. The interior, one of the oldest pero superb. Yan yung mga Napa leather na pinagsasabi nila dati na yung tipong hanggang ngayon highly appreciated and sought after. I love the attention to details of this car. Ito, unbox talaga natin to. Miata. Unbox na natin. And to make a decision. Yung tipong big fan ka ng Mazda tapos yung dream car mo wala man sa display mo. So, I unboxed it. Pinili natin sa guys sa Illustre when we just started collecting. Unbox na lang din natin. Para may kasama yung color green ko. Ooh! So, ayan, nakadalawang unbox tayo my dear friends. Labas din yung pagiging wide body niya. Ganda na pagkakayari. The same thing as on the gray. So, my dear friends, what do you think? Dahan-dahan na siyang napupuno. And dahan-dahan na siyang yung mga tipong gusto ko. Yung mga nailalagay. Katulad nitong Miata na to. Aesthetic.